All right guys, as promised, it's dyno day. We're gonna take the Jeep down to our local performance shop and just see how much horsepower my 10-year-old Jeep with almost 200,000 kilometers still has left in it. Oh, that's good coffee. Took a bit of flack last week for going to Starbucks to grab a coffee. I said it's my favorite place to grab coffee, but it's actually my favorite place to go for coffee when I need to go through a drive-thru. It's gonna be a bit of a different type of a vlog today. We're not gonna be hitting any of the trails, no. We're gonna take my 10-year-old Jeep with 200,000 kilometers on it down to our local performance shop, Paradigm Auto Works, who's putting on an open dyno day for anybody who wants to kind of baseline their vehicle and just see how much horsepower it is. And I thought it would be a fun vlog to bring you guys along with me. We'll throw the Jeep up on the dyno and just see what it puts down for numbers. We're gonna take the scenic route into town and we'll be there shortly. All right, looks like we're here. We just need to figure out where we're gonna park. We just signed the Jeep up. It is gonna go on the dyno. We're gonna find out just how much horsepower this old 10-year-old 200,000 kilometer motor still has left in it. This is Chris. He is from Paradigm and he is helped putting on this event today. And I thought I was getting here early, but there's already 6 cars signed up. So I don't know if we're gonna get the vet on today, but great response to the event, hey? Like,
yeah,
just
lots
awesome
of response all over social media. It's been going really, really well.
Yeah, that's great.
So far.
Let's do a little walk around the shop to see what's going on, see where the dyno is, and let's talk a little bit about just what dynos do. I think we already have a car on the dyno getting ready to go. What do we have here? What is this? I think that's out on the board.
Nova.
Nice.
Nova. I can't remember what year though.
But what's it got in it? How long does it take to put a car up on the dyno and get it ready to go before you can run it?
Probably a good 20 minutes,
yeah.
Half an hour, something like that, to get things going. We definitely strive to, like, safety. Safety is the biggest thing with this. You don't want a car going through the wall. So.
This all-wheel drive dyno is...
all-wheel drive?
Yeah, it's fully adjustable.
Yeah.
This end can slide to accommodate for any wheelbase.
Yeah.
This is the only all-wheel drive dyno in the world that can measure the front and the rear axles separately for all-wheel drive vehicles.
Okay.
You can see the power split, so if you wanted to verify a 50-50 split or 70-30, we can do that as well.
Yeah.
This dyno can measure up to 2,000 horsepower.
2,000, wow.
It'll also measure up to 185 miles an hour.
We're gonna get the Jeep on in a little bit, guys. We got a few other cars we have to wait for first to go through their dyno test, see how much horsepower they are. I'm thinking the Jeep might be on the lower end of the vehicles here today. Thanks so much for giving us a rundown of the dyno, and
Thanks for coming down.
yeah, can't wait to get going.
Great.
So to get air in from the front, we've got, what is it, 16,000 CFM of airflow coming in from the roof, because as you can see, the car is in bay here with no front airflow. So we've got huge amounts of air coming in from the roof, and we've got fans keeping the vehicles cool. I thought we were gonna have the lowest horsepower here today, but we just had a Mini on the dyno, which, yeah, that's right, 44 horsepower. So we're not taking the lowest horsepower rating today, no, definitely not, but definitely the biggest vehicle coming onto the dyno today. We were talking about height being the problem, but it's width, barely fitting on the lift. It's got to be one of the bigger vehicles that's made it onto this dyno. Hey?
This is one of the bigger vehicles for sure, at least tire size anyway.
Yeah, 37.
Yeah.
So
37. Okay.
So it's got 200,000 kilometers.
You know what? I'm gonna call 228 horsepower.
At the wheels?
Yeah.
I like this guy. The Jeep is wide, guys. All right, we're having a debate over how much horsepower the Jeep is gonna have. What do you guys think, Matt?
180.
What do you think?
150, no more.
Anybody think more than 150?
100.
100? This guy. If it's less than 100, we'll buy a V8. We are officially having a giveaway contest with the Jeep to see who can figure out what horsepower it has I think some people are gonna put less than 100. Chris is trying to do the
What I said,
no cheating. Who put 225? I like you.
So the first 2 runs, it geared down on me, and on the last run, we hit a speed limiter. Oh. So I'm gonna do it in second gear.
The Jeep officially has 132 horsepower and 164 pound-feet of torque. I don't know how I feel about that. What do we have?
right there.
130?
Yeah.
Fred? Fred? All right, so there we have it, 132 official. Nah, it's not so great. Maybe we'll redeem ourselves here if there's enough time today, because I think we're gonna take the Jeep home and bring back the Vet. I don't know, maybe right at the end we'll tell you how much horsepower it's got. Thanks so much to Paradigm for putting on this event today. It's been awesome so far. We're still going, there's quite a few more cars, but it's been a lot of fun, and just really appreciate you guys putting on this event today and getting everybody's cars up quickly, in and out, getting some dyno numbers.
Thanks so much.
Appreciate it. All right, let's go get in the Jeep, take it home, and we'll be right back. I don't know, what do you guys, should we throw the Vet on here? Throw it on the vlog?